How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver this service instead of you delivering it. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So here, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. Then go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States, because that's the market we are going to target in today's video, the United States. And here click on search and zoom in on the country. Here let's zoom in on the country and let's choose a state or a city that we are going to target in today's explanation. So here we can choose, for example, Oklahoma. Let's zoom in on Oklahoma and let's find a city that we are going to choose. So let's choose Tulsa. Let's choose Tulsa city in here. Let's zoom in. So this is the city we are going to choose in today's explanation. And here go again to the search and type whatever kind of small business you'd like to search for. But before we search for the small businesses, I'm going to talk about the services that we are going to offer them. So there are three main services that we have in here. The first one is the website creation. So we are going to offer them to create a website for them if they don't have one, and if they already have one, we are going to check if the website is up to date. If not, we are going to renovate the website for them. And the second service we are going to offer them is the bad reviews removing. So we are going to check their profile, and if we find any bad reviews in there, 1-star or 2-star reviews with a comment talking badly about their business, we are going to offer them the service of removing that for them. And the third service is the social media accounts managing. So we are going to check their Instagram and their Facebook account to see if they are posting every day, or if they are posting weekly or monthly, and if there is someone managing those social media accounts for them. If not, we are going to offer them to manage them for them. So here let's search for example, hair salons. So here let's type hair salon as a small business to see what we can find in here. So here you can see that we have a lot of hair salons in this area, and we have a lot of profiles, but don't just go and contact every hair salon you will find in here randomly. Always make sure to check the profiles first, and always make sure to avoid the ones with sponsored written in their profile in this place, and also the ones with more than 150 reviews, because the ones with these two things that I said to pay attention to would not be anymore a small business, and they would be considered a business in growth or something like that. So they would have the lowest rate of hiring us or working with us. So make sure always to work or to contact the ones with less than 150 reviews, like this one, for example, Rock Paper Scissors by Rosa. So let's click on this salon here and let's check their profile. So here let's scroll down, they have 70 reviews. Let's scroll down, this is their website, Vagaro. Let's check their website and let's wait for it to load so we can decide if it would need any renovations or not. Here let's remove that. And here let's scroll down. I guess it's not that bad of a website, but it could be better. But they even have an app for their website, one in the App Store and another one in the Google Play. And here you can book your appointment. So the website, we can offer them any service about their website. So let's move on to the next service, which is removing the bad reviews for them. So here you can see that they have some 1-star reviews and some 3-star reviews. So let's scroll down until we find these 1-star reviews, because those are the ones that will help us to convince this business owner to hire us or to work with us. So here let's scroll down until we find the 1-star review. So here we are seeing now just the 5-star reviews. Let's keep scrolling down. 5-star, still a 5-star review. Let's scroll down. Here keep scrolling until you find the 1-star review, and that is what's going to help us to convince them to buy our service. And this is the first one from Suzette R. This place has a unprofessional worker who gossips about people's lives. If you want to hear others people's gossips and life experiences, come by. Unprofessional people and environment. So this is a very bad review that would give a very bad reputation about the business. So that is something we can use in order to make them pay for our service. So we can see that they have a bad review, and we can read it for them, or we can just send them a screenshot and say that we can take it out for them or take it down for them for $100 or $90 or something like that. And then we will just go to Fiverr.com, which is a platform where you can hire freelancers to deliver those services. So here you can come to Fiverr.com and wait for it to load. Then you will just scroll down, or you will go to the search and search for Google Maps Business Optimization, and you will find freelancers like this in here, like this one here, that would get paid $25 and would take care of those bad reviews for you. So if they pay us $80 and we pay the freelancer $25, we would be left with a great margin in our pocket. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.